prison. Fly to see, I gonna need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, me no know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
Alright, what's up guys, welcome back. Malik here. Sorry for the late video. Last night I was just so tired, I just crashed out. After I took a shower, lay down for a second, I was out for the night. And then today I had a class, so I'm kind of putting out this video and my push-up videos a little late, but these are things that already happened. So you'll see how I traded on Friday. I had 3 trades in total on Friday. 1 hit my stop loss and 2 I'm actually swinging across the weekend. We're hoping to see some bullish movement and me to not get knocked out on Monday. So let's see how we open and how it trades. But I'll show you where I got stopped out on Friday for $30. And looking at the small losses that I'm taking, I'm thinking I can actually trade a live account, just my funds. But I'm gonna just focus on getting funded and trying to trade with a broker's fund and just leverage the skill. Puts less risk on me, and actually it can be a way to leverage the skill without risking anything rather than my risk and whatever I put in for the registration fee and my time. So this one I entered at 1 hour after market open. So that was to the buy side. All of my trades were to the buy side. I was looking for a bullish close on the Friday, but of course I didn't get that because, you know, the market just didn't move how I wanted it to move, basically. I was looking for a 1600 close. I mean, it was pretty optimistic, but I didn't get that. So this is where I entered to the bullish side. You can see this is where a lot of my trades got knocked out. But I have one with a stop loss at 15,760. So you can see it came down to like 15,780, knocked out my other stop loss that was at 15,800. You can see it here. Because of how fast it went down, it actually hit me out 0.52, a little bit more than where I had my stop loss. But I was knocked out when 15 hours later into the day. So you can see I'm able to hold these trades longer. I'm gonna actually look into look 15. Or is it 16? 16. Okay. Let's go to 16. Is actually here. And I got knocked out on the 121. Because I'm looking at the 1 hour. Because I'm looking at the 15-minute, it's a little different. So this one has a 15. What's this? 1538.84. So this is where I entered to the buy side. And I got stopped out at 16 on the 1630 candle. So you can see I was a bit more down here. I'm just trying to get this all lined up right so you can see the accuracy. Because it looked a bit too close there, wouldn't you admit? Like, my stop loss would be too close for a $30 hit out unless I'm risking extremely big. So I entered this one on the 115. What's going on here? The 115. Let's just do 1 hour. I don't like this. Let's go to the 1 candle here. So that's this candle. So I enter to the buy side here. I'm usually entering trades on the 1 hour anyways. I don't really try to go for 15-minute candles. It's not, yeah, I don't want to be looking at the charts too much. I want to develop a strategy that enables me to not be on the charts all the time, kind of play it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I benefit from it and I can take some profits or ride it a little bit higher. So this is where I got stopped out for a total loss of 30.66. You can see that's where it came down, hit me out at 15,800 where I had the stop loss. So I entered here. This was the start of the day, looking for it to push up. If I had waited, I could have entered a little bit later in the day and got this good entry. If you got a good entry here, and I think I took one of the entries at here when I got stopped out and moved my stop loss to around 1570 with a 0.05. So that's around a $30 risk. With a 0.07, that's like 40, 42 thereabout. So it's not too bad. And then if we get a move to the upside, we can really capitalize from that, because we would look to, if we're going bullish still, we would look for it to clear 15,990 just as an obvious like level. But then we also, I mean, I want to pay attention to this huge gap here that, yeah, at some point price is gonna come back down and mess with this area. It's almost guaranteed. So I definitely want us to just like pay attention and focus on this area, because like price has to kind of come around and mess with this area, similar to all this that you see here. Might see some violent movement to the downside on one of the days. So I'm gonna definitely look out for that. But for right now, my bias is kind of bullish. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're having a good weekend. That's my video for Friday. I'll see you in the next one. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. I have the links in the bio. All right. Bye-bye. Ready for next week, guys.